Well, good morning. Welcome to Financial Freedom Show. I'm CS Sudhir. Mr. Neeraj just posted a question on the Financial Freedom app. He says how to port a health insurance plan. Yes, when you buy a health insurance plan, many people think, okay, now if I switch, if I move from one company to other company, I will lose out on all benefits. And they just stick to that one plan just because they just don't know that this can be ported. The way you port your mobile SIM card, the way you port your mobile number, let's say you are using Airtel SIM and you're not happy, you can port it to others. Or if you're using Jio, you can port it to others. Or any other company for that matter, right? Any telecom company, Airtel, Jio, or Idea, whichever is offering you SIM card. If you're not happy with the service, what do? You port. Similar way, the way, if you are using health insurance offered by one company and if you're not happy with them, what do? You should port. How to port? There is a process for it. So when do you normally decide to port? So whenever you feel that, okay, this company is increasing the premium just like that every year, or you feel that this company is not giving you good service. You get hospitalized and you apply for a claim and they just take too much of time. Every time your discharge gets delayed because they don't respond on time, or they always make you pay from your pocket some amount of money, or they don't honor their own commitments. It's better to switch, right? So, but how do you switch? First thing, you'll have to apply at least 30 days in advance, which means your expiry, the policy is going to expire on 30th of, let's say, March. You should inform them well in advance, at least 30 days in advance, not just to the company where you have got your existing policy. You have to inform the new company that I've got a policy in this company, I want to switch to your company. But then it shouldn't happen that you are with a company which is not servicing you and you get into another company which is bad than this, worse than this. That shouldn't happen. So you should carefully choose that new company because you can't keep porting, switching every year, right? So you'll have to choose the right company now. Look into all those challenges, problems you're faced with this company and look for those look for such a company which is good in all these aspects. Like, they shouldn't create more problems to you. But remember one thing, if you're using health insurance of company A and you want to move to company B and you've made too many claims in the last year, then the porting may become tough. Plus, same time, it may so happen that if you are having some pre-existing diseases, that you are suffering from diabetes, you went through a surgery, things like that, it may so happen that the new company may not consider your proposal, or they may ask you to go for a medical checkup. So I want you to be very clear. It's not that every time you decide to port the way telecom companies port your SIM card, they may not port because they're going to take that risk, right? But then remember, when you port, all your pre-existing diseases, everything will be covered the way it is currently, because that's the advantage given by IRDA. This is why on Financial Freedom app we have designed a detailed course on health insurance. This course will help you understand how to choose the best health insurance plan. In case you have not yet taken this, you have not yet watched this course, please watch it. It's a very detailed course on health insurance. And not just that, on Financial Freedom app we have about 68, 69 courses on personal finance, career, business and farming, plus life skills as well. So these courses will help you build your life, and these courses are designed by experts, and these are not something which is being taught by some teacher. These courses are taught by professionals, practitioners who are super successful in respective fields. You want to set up a business, who's going to teach you? Those who build large businesses, they are the ones who are going to teach you. So please download Financial Freedom app from Play Store, App Store, watch these courses. And for Republic TV viewers, we have an amazing offer. If you enter the referral code Freedom Show, as you see on the screen, Freedom Show in Financial Freedom app, you will get up to 50% off immediately. 50% discount on the subscription value, which is worth about 2,000 rupees. Please make use of it. Subscribe to Financial Freedom app right away. Get access to all these courses. Watch it. And if you have any questions related to any of these topics, please post your questions on the Financial Freedom app. I will answer your questions in my next episode. Thanks for watching. Be wise, get rich.